Ngucanio cia Cecafa iria iratanyitwo guthakirwo Kiharo-ini kia Moi kaunti-ini ya Kisumu riu cigakorwo cigithakirwo Kiharo-ini gia Kinyata kaunti-ini ya Machakos. Ni kurumirira mirurungano ire ikoretwo igithie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Kisumu o undu umwe na kwambatira kwa urugari wa kiuteti gicigo-ini giki igacungirira ngucanio ici guthamio.
It was our idea to have Cecafa in Kisumu. In fact, we wanted to have Kenya play its matches in Kisumu. And I think I've spoken about it very clearly. Now, what happened is that a lot of work has to be put in for us to do that. Now, we have done that work in Kakamega. We were going to proceed and do it in Kisumu. But as you know, there is a prevailing political circumstance. And a few countries went to Cecafa and said, guys, we do not think it is prudent in the week that we have certain political things going on in the country that we proceed and in that week play in Kisumu. And so that caused us to think about it. And we said that we do not like to remove matches from Kisumu because we think that is where genuine football support is. And we want to tap in that support. If you remember, last year for the first time, the Starlets played in Kisumu. So it's been the idea of this federation to play in Kisumu.
Timu ya Kenya Harambee Stars, Kilimanjaro Stars ya Tanzania, Libya, Rwanda na Zanzibar nicio timu iria cirerigirwo guthakira ngucanio ciao Kiharo-ini giki kia Moi mwena wa Kisumu. Grifatira metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.